All right, hola clase. I miss you guys. Welcome to online class. I guess here we are. Yeah, I know none of us thought this is how we were going to be ending the school year, but we'll learn. It's going to be a learning curve for everybody. So there are going to be some upsides to this, definitely some downsides, but let me just kind of take a few minutes to explain how this is going to work for us. So first and foremost, you will need internet and a Chromebook every day, Monday through Friday, between 8:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. So if you do not have one of those things, you're not gonna like it's like you can't go to school, you're gonna fail your classes. You need to start having those conversations with me. So email me or email Mr. Pruzinski so we can start sorting those things out. All right, let me explain how this class is going to work specifically. So first of all of your classes, first period through fourth period, are going to meet, quote unquote, between 8:30 a.m. and 12 o'clock noon, Monday through Friday, every day that we normally have school. So we were off from school yesterday. We didn't have class yesterday. And then the way that that class is structured is you are always going to have roughly the same things. I will post this on Google Classroom at 8:30 a.m. every day so you can see what you need to do that day. The first thing is you need to do a daily check-in. It's kind of like a bell work assignment. It's going to be short. It's going to be relatively quick. If you do not do that assignment though, that's counting towards an assignment, yes, your participation, yes, but also your attendance. So if you're not doing those daily check-ins, I'm going to get worried about you, and within like a day, you're probably going to get phone calls from me, from your guidance counselors, from Mr. Kita. So don't not do that. That's the very, very bare minimum. If you're not doing those daily check-ins, it's like you're not coming to class. So you need to get that daily check-in done. That you need to have done by noon. I recommend doing it much, much sooner. Because you're also going to have other assignments that you need to do during class. For example, you might need to watch a video like this one. You might need to do a shorter activity like like an in-class assignment. Those are also going to be due at noon. But then you might also have longer assignments that would traditionally be homework, so there's still going to be homework assignments. Those are going to be due not 8:30 a.m. the next day, but by midnight. Okay? So midnight that same night, because I don't want you guys staying up until like 5 a.m. getting your homework done or whatever. So before you go to bed, you need to have your homework turned in and done. This is not changing. Homework due at 11:59. This is not changing. You cannot turn in anything late for this class. That was the case before. A lot of you guys didn't realize, like you just didn't get it. Like you would still try to turn in assignments 2 weeks later. If you don't turn in your assignment by 11:59 p.m., like it's 12:03, it's late. It's a 0, you can't turn it in. Now, if there's something crazy going on in your house, like you have the flu or your mother is in the hospital, talk to me. Let's have those conversations, and please let's do it ahead of time. So don't wait Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Wednesday tell me what's been going on the last 3 days. Tell me when something is happening, because you need to be in communication with me and all of your teachers about those things. So just like how if you couldn't go to school, you needed to call school and tell them why. If you can't do your online lessons, you need to call the school and call your teachers and tell them why. Some fun stuff that we're still doing / adding is we are still doing Musica Miércoles. It's going to look a little bit different than it used to, but still going to do some fun music stuff on Wednesdays. And then we're also adding Video Viernes, which is going to be fun because now you guys get to record your own videos and actually say stuff to me, and it's not public in front of all your peers. So maybe you'll like that better. I don't know. We'll talk more about that later. You can still get extra help from me. It will definitely be harder than it was in real life because you can't just be like Bednars and get immediate feedback. But if you need extra help, like you need me to re-explain something, then you can send me an email. You can call me using Google Hangouts. You can message me using Google Hangouts. You can send me an email and say, hey, I need you to call me. Here's my phone number, and I can call you. I do not have an iPhone. I have a Google phone because I am cheap. We cannot FaceTime, unfortunately, but I will do my best to accommodate however you need to talk to me. The issue is you need to share me with my other 3 classes that I have in the morning, so you might be trying to call me, and I am helping somebody with Algebra 1. So that's going to be something that we need to work through, and we might need to be patient and set up times and schedules with each other, but we'll get there. We'll work it out. But hey, you can stay in your pajamas all day. I don't care. So at least that part's good. All right, so you do have an assignment today. Look on Google Classroom. It's about this. You need to do like a little quiz about your expectations and whatnot, all that fun stuff. The deadline is on Google Classroom like it will always be. And yeah, hasta luego.